What's good, YouTube? It's Mr. Cashflow back today with another video, and today I'm gonna be putting y'all on the real game about credit. So when I started my credit game, the people and the information that I seen on YouTube was not the right information. Well, it was right information, but not for me. I'm gonna tell you all the information I wish I knew before I started building my credit and everything. Like, I'm just tell you everything. So when you first start building your credit, you don't want to go do anything where you're not gonna make your money back. The whole goal of having credit is by using it to leverage it. So you want to get a credit card, or you want to get something that if you spend it or if you obtain that, then it's going to be an asset to you. You don't want to have liabilities. So it depends on how you use each instance. So I had a car rental company and I purchased about 5 cars. In the finance world, a car is technically a liability, no matter how you use it. So I used it and I operated it as an asset, but since I owned a car and it depreciates, and the risk of something happening to it is way higher than anything, so it's still a liability. Now, if you get a certain type of car and you're making money from it, then that's cool. While you have it, it could be marked as an asset. But as soon as something happens to it, you have to get it fixed. You have to have extra income. You have to have all these different things in order to be able to maintain a company. And that goes for any company. So if you run a product-based company, most of the times, if you have a product, you don't have to spend money back. So if you invest your money, you're going to buy a product for $5 or $10, and then you sell it for $10 or $20. And most people think that $10 in between is their profit, but really it's not. It's net profit, meaning that once you have something that happens, you have to have a percentage of it for operating expenses, for taxes, fees, all of that. So if you don't account that, then most of the times your calculations are going to be wrong. The thing is, do not try to go straight to the iPhone store or Verizon store and try to go get 4 or 5 phones and then sell them. And let me tell you why. Let's say you go to the store and you get one phone, purchase it, and you only have to pay taxes or fees. You get this phone, you pay $1,000 for it on your credit technically. But when you get it, you can only sell it for like $750 or $850. So you already lost $200 or $300 right there. Now, another thing, you're going to accrue taxes, interest, and fees. So what's going to happen is going to go on your credit report 6 months later, and it's going to show that you owe double or triple the amount that you paid for it. So technically, you lose money as soon as you purchase the phone. And most people, what they'll say is, oh, I can just wipe it off my credit. But not realizing how long it takes for credit repair, and not realizing that it still is going to show up. So if you remove it off your credit report, you still owe money to Verizon or whatever company that you did it with. So this is what you do. Instead of doing that, you start building your credit, and you always make sure that the asset that you purchase is going to double or triple the amount that you're going to pay back. So that's basic financial literacy. Most people don't have it, so you have to learn from the right person in order to obtain these new skills. The best things to invest in is really credit. If you have some money, just straight cash lying around, what you should do is you should either get yourself a secured credit card. If you have Navy Fed, you can do something called a secured savings pledge loan, which is basically just a loan you taking away from yourself and show history on your credit report as if you had a loan from the bank. First thing I did whenever I first built my credit was I went straight to the auto dealership, and you should not do that. And this is why. If you have a fresh credit profile and you have a great credit score, you need to go to a specific bank. I always recommend to get a banking relationship at Navy or any credit union, because they're more likely to give you more money, and they're more likely to give you better interest rates. So if you go into these predatory lenders, you're most likely going to end up having a 30% APR, and you're going to pay double for the same car. So if you do have bad credit and you want to get a car right now, I always recommend my clients to always remove those negative items and then go get that loan. But if you need it right now and you have the money for the down payment, then what you could do is you could get that loan and then refinance it into your business after all of those negative accounts are removed. If you want to learn how to repair or build your credit, we have a school community which is on sale right now for only $89 a month. It is normally $129, but right now we are doing a sale. This is mainly for people who want to learn how to do it themselves. If you want to start your own credit repair company, this is a great tool. If you don't have time to do it yourself, we do offer credit repair services, but it is not cheap. The price is $500 per bureau or $1,500 total for the credit repair services. If you see this video and DM me the words $750 special, you will be able to get it at $750, but we are only doing this for the next 5 people. Serious and you want to actually take action, you want to actually get results, then DM me the word $750 special to get started.